Hi everyone. In this video we are going to work on a problem from Khan Academy, and we will find the perimeter of this beautiful pentagon. As you know, perimeter is the distance around the figure, around the shape. We will work on the perimeter. I observed that this is a quite beautiful pentagon because as you see, and what was this point here? DO, this segment here, and DI are congruent. They are identical. There you go. On the other hand, GO and LN are identical. Another beautiful thing that's going to make my life easier, NG is a flat horizontal segment. It's easy to count the length of it. So when we were solving some area problems, we just used distance formula heavily. And in this video, I just want to remember one more thing. Distance formula is nothing but another application of Pythagorean theorem. So let's work on this thinking one more time. So I have segment DO. To find the perimeter, I desperately need to find this distance. So I just want to create this beautiful triangle here, and I want you to observe that I shaded this beautiful triangle here, and this is a beautiful triangle which is right triangle, and one leg is actually 7, another leg is actually 6, and then you are looking for this DO, which is your hypotenuse. Let's say this is C. As we all know, C squared equals A squared plus B squared. That's 7 squared plus 6 squared. So C squared is 49 plus 36. So C squared is 85. When you take square root of both sides, C is actually radical 85. C is actually DO. If this is radical 85, since they are congruent, it was given that they are congruent, the other side must be radical 85. I just want to create similar right triangle right here. And I just made this yellow triangle here. And then from 6 to 3, actually, one leg is 3. The other leg is 4. Oh my God, this is another extremely famous right triangle. It's called 3, 4, 5 triangle. If this is 3 and this is 4, your hypotenuse must be 5. OG is 5. It comes from Pythagorean theorem again. If you don't remember that, OG squared is 3 squared plus 4 squared. 3 squared is 9. 4 squared is 16. 9 plus 16 is 25. OG squared is 25. If you take square root of both sides, OG is going to be 5. But this is a triangle that we cannot skip. I mean, 3, 4, 5 triangle is extremely famous in math. That's why this is 5. If this is 5, OG is 5, IN must be 5 because they were all congruent. Let's finish the easiest part here. NG, it's so obvious that it is 6 units, right? 3 units here, 3 over there. It's going to be 6 units. All right, what is the perimeter? Perimeter is the distance around the shape, which is, let's start from IN right here, like Indiana, and NG plus GO plus OD and plus DI. In class, I just solved this problem a little bit differently, but IN, where was IN? IN is right here, which is 5, plus NG is 6, GO is 5, OD radical 85, and then di is also radical 85. All right, let's put these integers together. 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 16, plus 2 times radical 85. This is the exact answer. If question says, just like in Khan Academy, round your answer to the nearest tenth, nearest hundredth, you can use technology to give me the approximate answer. Thank you.